two donuts. Two Dunkin' Donuts glaze. Today I'm eating Dunkin' Donuts and drinking their water. Okay, let's start with the donuts. I already did a review on these. Well, I didn't do a review. I did a video on these. So I decided to do a mukbang. So let's do this. Dunkin' Donuts and their water. Let's get into them. Okay. They're good. Yeah, these donuts are really, really good. Okay. I appreciate everybody supporting my channel and all. And I thank all of y'all for everything. Um 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 I just want to let y'all know, this goes out to the kids. I already did a video on this a long time ago, but um it's never okay to be bullied. It's never okay. Bullies are just people that just want to make fun of you and just don't pay them any mind. I know it gets hard, but just keep following the Most High and keep the commandments and doing all of that, and you'll be okay. Because I just want to let you know, because I can relate to you. I can relate because I've been through the same situation. And it's just not good to go through something like that. And if you are getting bullied, just tell your parents. Tell your parents so they could deal with it for you. Because you don't have to feel like you're alone about being bullied. I just want to let y'all know, y'all don't have to feel alone. I'm just going to reiterate, just keep the law, statutes, and commandments and do what the Most High tells you to do, and He'll take care of you. So y'all, it's kind of like, just don't pay them bullies any mind. So y'all, like I said, just don't pay them bullies any mind. They're not worth it. I just wanna. It's never okay to be bullied. Just want to let y'all know that. One thing about donuts, they are sticky, especially the kind that you get glazed. You know, I just want to speak on that topic. Um, um, just fly. Um, definitely. Um, how I be. I'm gonna talk about how one of my favorite characters that I play. Excuse me. I'm gonna tell my favorite character that I ever played. My first one would be. My very first one would be the Preacher Don. Um, um, Sometimes when I play Preacher Don, like, I take a long pause because I make myself laugh. Um, and my second one would be Mr. Gary, Dan Mouse, Ethan, and Bob, and all of them, and Lil John, and all of them. But my favorite one would be Preacher Don. Like I said, um, Preacher Don was my favorite one, because I've been playing him on before Israel's World ever came. Before I even started YouTube, I've been doing Preacher Don ever since 2013 or 14 or something like that. And yeah, and all that. Back to eating the last donut. bit my tongue. So y'all, that's the mukbang. So I ate both of the donuts. And so y'all, this concludes the mukbang Dunkin' Donuts. I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang, and just to reiterate, it's never okay to be bullied. And I just want to iterate that. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all next video. Israel's out. Bye y'all.